Hi, welcome to the Daily Message. I am Dolores Costco. My husband, 4 children, and I came to O'Fallon in 1981. So we have been blessed to be a part of St. Nicholas Parish from its beginning. I am part of the RCIA team, the Rite of Christian Initiation of Adults. RCIA is a process for adults, either unbaptized or baptized in another Christian faith, who want to know more about the Catholic faith. RCIA is also for Catholics who wish to complete their sacraments of Eucharist and Confirmation. In the process, we gather and share our stories of finding God in our lives. Some of the folks have been attending Mass with their families for 5, 10, 20 plus years, and they have been moved by the Holy Spirit to join their families and become Catholic. One young mother was influenced by her 2 young sons who would come home from preschool and share what they learned about the Mass and the sacred vessels and the gestures used by the priests. So she was curious and wanted to be more a part of their understanding of what was happening and why we kneel, stand, and sit during Mass. There is no time limit on one's preparation in the RCIA. This journey varies with each person. Some adults complete their preparation and receive the sacraments at the Easter Vigil celebration. Others take a little bit longer. We had one young mother who took 3 years to be inspired to join the Catholic faith. She and I would meet once a week at Denny's and besides our group gathering and discuss questions about our faith. God's time is not always our time. A few years ago, we had a very young couple join our RCIA. The young man was Catholic, but the young lady was not. And after a month, she realized this was not part of her faith journey, and she had the freedom to drop out of our group. I am a cradle Catholic. Yes, I was baptized as a baby, but sometimes I feel the adults that go through RCIA have a deeper appreciation of our faith. Sometimes they struggle to make the decision to join. I am very grateful to be a part of the RCIA team and share stories together on our spiritual journeys. As Barb mentioned a few days ago, we will have a new inquiry group beginning soon. A dinner will be held on Wednesday evening at Father Bill's house, August 28th, and you are welcome to, if you are interested in learning about the Catholic faith or completing your sacraments of Eucharist or Confirmation. For more information, if you, a family member, or a neighbor or friend would like to join us, please contact Barb Furdak at St. Nicholas Parish Office 632-1137. Thank you for joining us today and have a blessed day.